Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Subaru Impreza. First, you will want to hit the settings button on the home menu of your car's screen. From there, simply select the Bluetooth option. Next, choose BT Devices Connection or Add to start the pairing process. It's a straightforward journey to hands-free connectivity, making your drives more enjoyable and safer. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to pair your mobile device. First, ensure Bluetooth is activated on your phone or tablet. Then on your device, look for Subaru BT or the name of your car's Starlink system in the list of available devices. Once you select it, a passkey will appear on both screens. Confirm they match, and you're all set to connect. With your device successfully paired, you can now enjoy a variety of hands-free features. You can make and receive calls using the convenient controls on your steering wheel or by simply using voice commands. Plus, you can stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly through your car's sound system. Adjusting the volume is also easy with the steering wheel controls, keeping your focus on the road. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Troubleshooting is often simple. First, double-check that Bluetooth is enabled on both your mobile device and your Subaru. Sometimes, a quick restart of your phone or the car's infotainment system can resolve minor glitches. Also, remember that your Subaru can store a limited number of paired devices, typically around 7. Removing older, unused connections can often help with new pairings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.